This is the emergency alert system broadcasting the Jared the Yankee Overdrive Master channel. This video contains valid emergency alert tones as the creator is not responsible for any of these tones. All EAS mocks are fake and the ones I make are for entertainment purposes only. Another thing, do not prank anyone with these tones in the air, as it will definitely cause panic. Anyways, enjoy the video.
Be careful.
Georgie. What a nice boat. Do you want it back?
Yes, please.
You look like a nice boy. I bet you have a lot of friends.
3, but my brother's my bestest.
Where's he?
In bed, sick.
I bet I could cheer him up. I'll give him a balloon. Do you want a balloon too, Georgie?
I'm not supposed to take stuff from strangers.
Oh, well, I'm Pennywise, the dancing clown. Pennywise? Yes, meet Georgie. Georgie, meet Pennywise. Now we aren't strangers, are we? Storm blew me away. Blew the whole circus away. Can you smell the circus, Georgie? There's peanuts, cotton candy, hot dogs, and...
Popcorn?
Popcorn! Is that your favorite?
Uh-huh.
I do. Because they pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, pop.
I should get going now.
Oh. Without your boat? You don't want to lose it, Georgie. Bill's gonna kill you. Take it, Georgie.
This is a child abduction emergency. This message is transmitted from the request of the Derry Police Department. At 7 p.m. Eastern Time, police have been looking for a child named Georgie Denbrough, 8 years old, 4 feet 8 inches tall. He was last seen wearing a yellow raincoat and black pants. A neighbor saw Georgie chasing a boat down the street. Seconds later, the neighbor said he was never seen after a while. If you see a kid in the yellow coat, call 911 immediately, so the police can return Georgie to his parents. Stay tuned for more information.
Good morning everyone, and welcome to this morning's news. I am Daniel, and today is going to be another rainy day today, and today's top story is that last night, a child named Georgie Denbrough had went missing since 7 p.m. Police have been searching for hours and there was no sign of Georgie. If you see Georgie wearing a yellow raincoat, call 911 immediately, so the police can find them and return him to his parents. That's all I have for now. This is Daniel, signing off. Breaking news. Police have now found more information about the abduction of Georgie Denbrough. A person that lives in Georgie's neighborhood says that he heard screaming coming from a sewer near the house, and it did sound like Georgie. So that means that Georgie was taken to a sewer, and a police officer is heading over there now. Stay tuned for more information.
This is a law enforcement warning. This message is transmitted from the request of the Derry Police Department. As another officer went to the sewer, he found the officer that was going to find Georgie Denbrough dead, and the officer was also looking for the suspect. He didn't find him, but got some information about him. The suspect is believed to be a clown named Pennywise. He was the one that took and killed Georgie. There is no description of what he looks like yet. Stay tuned for more information. This is a law enforcement warning. This message is transmitted from the request of the Derry Police Department. A clown was spotted roaming around the streets of Derry. This clown is believed to be extremely dangerous. He can kill anybody he sees and abduct children he sees. If you see a clown, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. No other information about this plan was given. Wait, a resident said that the clown does look like Pennywise, the one that killed Georgie and that officer. If you see Pennywise, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for more information. This is a law enforcement warning. This message is transmitted from the request of the Derry Police Department. Many police officers had been exploring the sewer for any other bodies that Pennywise had killed. One of the officers had found something. There was a bunch of kids floating in the air in one of the areas in the sewer, and there was even a pile of bodies. They do not know how much Pennywise had killed, but now they're examining how many kids we killed. If you see Pennywise anywhere in your area, call 911 immediately from a safe distance, so he won't kill you. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. 5 members of the Big Guns have now arrived in Derry to stop Pennywise, which are Jared the Killer Master, EAS Rises, Christian Lloyd, Shadow the Hedgehog 248 YouTube, and Sans. Pennywise's location isn't known at this time, but let's hope the Big Guns will stop Pennywise before he kills more people. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. Pennywise had broken into the Derry police station and killed all officers inside. Other officers are on the scene now, as well as the Big Guns. Jared the Killer Master says that Pennywise did that just so he can abduct children easier. Jared also says that Pennywise is looking for the Big Guns, but let's hope the Big Guns and the police can stop this clown. If you see Pennywise, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. This is a child abduction emergency. This message is transmitted from the request of the Derry Police Department. Police are looking for a child named Super Mario Ren, age 12, 5 feet tall. He was last seen wearing a red hat with an M on it, a red t-shirt, overalls, and brown shoes. He was taken by Pennywise. Police have also tracked Pennywise's location, and they are heading over there now, and Big Guns are thinking of a backup plan just in case. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action notification. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. Police have found Pennywise and Super Mario Ren, and Pennywise seems to be holding Ren hostage. The big guns have come up with a backup plan and are on the way now. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is the Derry police. Put your hands up and let go of the child. No. Pennywise would not do that. Sir, Pennywise, put the child down or we'll shoot you.
Well, you really think that I'm gonna let go of this child? Why don't you guys step back or I'll kill him?
Don't do it, Pennywise.
I'm gonna do it.
Don't you dare.
I wanna do it. If you step back, I won't do it. Just drop the guns or I'll kill him.
We're not dropping these guns. We need you to drop the child.
That's it. Alright. You have 3 seconds to drop your guns. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, you!
Huh? Take this, you stupid dumb clown!
This is an emergency action termination. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. Pennywise had been killed and Super Mario Ren was saved. Jared the Killer Master had called Pennywise a stupid dumb clown and shot him in the head. Super Mario Ren is also a new member of the Big Guns. You may now resume to normal program.